In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a resume in Gmail step by step. So, if you're preparing to apply for a new job or internship, and you want to ensure that your resume lands smoothly in your potential employer's inbox, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the process to get your resume sent effectively and professionally. First, open Gmail on your computer or mobile device and sign in with your Google account. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're using a professional email address, such as your name at gmail.com, which can make all the difference in how you're perceived by potential employers. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, look to the top left corner and click the Compose button. Clicking this will open a new email window where you can start crafting your message. After opening a new email window, begin by entering the recipient's email address in the To field. It should be the email address provided in the job listing or the contact details you have. When it comes to the recipient's email, accuracy is critical, so make sure you type it correctly to avoid any delivery issues. Once you've added the recipient's email address, move on to the subject line. A clear and concise subject line can set the tone for the email, so consider something straightforward like, application for job title followed by a dash and your name. This way, the recipient can easily identify your email among others. Now, let's focus on the body of your email. Start with a polite greeting, such as Dear Hiring Manager or Dear Last Name if you have that information. Express your interest in the position you're applying for and briefly state where you found the job listing to provide some context. After the introduction, explain why you're a great fit for the role and mention your attached resume. Keep the message concise but informative, focusing on your key qualifications. The next crucial step is attaching your resume. Look at the bottom of the new email window and find the paperclip icon. Click on it, and a File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate to the folder where your resume is saved, select the file, and confirm the attachment. Ensure the resume is in a widely accepted format like PDF to maintain its format regardless of the software the employer uses to view it. Before hitting send, don't forget to proofread your email thoroughly. Spelling and grammar mistakes can make a poor impression, so double-check everything. Consider using tools like Grammarly for an added layer of writing analysis or ask a friend to take a look. Lastly, once you're satisfied with your email, press send. You can find the send button at the bottom of the email window. Congratulations! You have successfully sent your resume through Gmail. Remember to keep an eye on your inbox and spam folders for any replies. Good luck with your job application, and thank you for watching this tutorial.